kinematic expert.
I'm Chase Russell, and I'm here to further your knowledge today on Newton's first, second, and third law of motion. Newton's first law, or also known as the law of inertia, it is saying that an object in motion will stay in motion unless a net force acts upon it, or an object at rest will stay at rest until a net force acts upon it, like so.
As you can see in this demonstration, there is a football being thrown, and it is going in motion and will stay in motion until a net force, the hand, stops the motion of the ball. In this presentation, you will be seeing a ball in a stable condition at rest, and me using a net force, my foot, to kick the ball into motion.
Okay, what is inertia, you might ask me? Well, inertia is the tendency of an object to resist being moved, or if it is moving, to change in direction or speed. And actually, mass is a measure of inertia, and as mass increases, so does inertia. Newton's second law is a net force that is acting on an object accelerates the object in the direction of the net force. In this example of Newton's second law, I threw a football with small force to show little acceleration, and the second time I threw the football, I threw it with more force to show more acceleration. In this second example of Newton's second law, I will be taking a football with more mass and throwing it to find out it has less acceleration than the ball with little mass.
Okay, there's two things that affect acceleration. That is the size of force and the mass of an object. So you get a bigger object with bigger mass, and that will accelerate less. But if you have a bigger force, or a big size of force, that'll have more acceleration.
Okay, so Newton has this third law, and this law is called Newton's third law. And this law is basically stating that for every action that takes place, there is an opposite and equal reaction. This example of Newton's third law, Chase hits Ian, Ian hits Chase. They both fall back.
In this example of Newton's third law, ball hits ground, ground hits ball.
That's expert, and I'll be talking about speed, velocity, acceleration, and friction.
Speed. Speed is the rate of change in motion.
This is speed because it's a change in position. Velocity is the speed of an object, but in a particular direction.
1-9! Black 18, black 18, black 18. Yellow 69, yellow 69. Set! Green up! Set, go!
This is portraying velocity because it is speed while moving south.
Ian!
The difference between velocity and speed is just a change in position, and velocity is a change in motion in a particular direction. Acceleration is velocity's change over time.
Acceleration.
This is acceleration because it is a change in motion, moving south, west, and then south again. Friction is the force that opposes motion between two surfaces that are in contact.
Seem to say that you're fine. They're not really fine. You just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Ian ran 10 yards in 1.25 seconds.
To find average speed, you take distance divided by time, which our distance was 9.144 meters, and our time was 1.25 seconds, which equals 7.3152, but in sig figs that'd be 7.32 meters per second.
Thank you for watching our informational video on the kinematics, Ian, and the Newtonian expert, and what we fulfilled to teach you today as the first, second, and third law of motion. And what did he teach you?
Speed, velocity, and acceleration.
He taught you speed, velocity, and acceleration. So altogether, we taught you what deals with motion. Thank you, and have a great day.